Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to create eye-catching title animations in DaVinci Resolve. Whether you are a beginner or looking to spice up your project with professional looking titles, this tutorial has got you covered. Let's dive right in. Back in up. Now open the effects and search for text plus. If option is not showing, make sure all folders option has been checked. Now drag down to your timeline and open in the Fusion page. Now select the text and edit it and adjust its font, color and size. Now go to the transform option. Here select a keyframe for the Y offset at 0 frame like this, and after some frame like 10 you have to decrease the Y value like down to this. Add a keyframe for another 10 frame, and now at 10 frame select a keyframe for the size option, and at 20 frame increase the slightly value of the size. Now select the text and go to the spline tab. Now select the character offset option and select the all keyframes. Now press S and adjust the curve like this for a better animation. Now select the size and select all the keyframes and press S. Now go to the inspector tab and select on settings, tick on motion blur and increase the quality to 10 and adjust the shutter angle like to 15. Here is the text animation. Horizontal line spin. Now go to effects, search for text plus. Now drag top to your timeline and open in the Fusion page. Now select the text, edit it and customize your color, size and font. Now go to the transform tab and select transform by lines. Now go to the rotation and select a rotation Y value 0 to the 0 frame, and at 25 frame add a keyframe for Y rotation and 360. Now go to the spline tab and select the line angle Y and fit to the skin. Now select all the keyframes and press S. Now adjust the curve like this. Okay. Now go to the settings and click the motion blur option and increase the shutter angle like 255. Here is the animation. Flicker. Now go to the effects and search for text plus. Now drag down to your timeline and open this to the Fusion page. Now select the text and edit it and customize the font, color and size. Now go to the shading and make sure your playhead at the starting point, and now move your playhead to the right side by one frame and disable this toggle. Now again move your playhead right side by one frame and enable this toggle. Now repeat this process as long as you want this flicker effect. Here is the animation. Cinematic fade. Now go to the effects and search for text plus. Now drag down to your timeline and open in the Fusion page. Now select the text, edit it and customize the font, color and size. Now select the text and add a glow effect. Now adjust the glow size and glow effect. Now select the text and add fifth frame. Select a keyframe for the size and at 45 slightly decrease the size. Now select the text and add a round marks ellipse. Now decrease the level to 0 and decreases the width and height like this, and add a keyframe for the first frame. Now at fifth frame slightly increase the level like this, and at 45 frame increase the level to its max and increase the width and height like this. So here we go. word by word grow. Now go to the effect, search for text plus, drag down to your timeline, open in the Fusion tab. Now select the text, edit it and select the font color and size. Now right click on the blank space and select the follow. Now go to modifier, select transform by words. Now go to the size and at the first frame decrease the XY size to 0, add a keyframe there. Now at 10th frame increase the size of XY to 1.0. Now go to the timing and select the order from left to right and increase the delay to 2.0. Now go to the spline and select the follower option and fit to the screen. Now select all the keyframes and press S. Now adjust the curve like this. Bottom fade reveal. Now go to the effects, search for text plus, drag down to your timeline. Now open in the Fusion tab, edit the text and adjust its font color and size. Now select the text, add a rectangle marks and adjust its height and width according to your text. Now adjust the Y value like this and increase slightly the soft edge. At the 25 frame, increase the Y value like this, and at the starting frame Y should be at the bottom, so you have to change it. Okay, now go to spline and select the rectangle. Now fit the screen, select all the keyframes, press S and adjust the curve like this. Here is the animation. Text scramble. Go to the effect, search for text plus, drag down to your timeline. Now open in the Fusion page, select the text, edit it and customize the font color and size. Now right click here and open, select text scramble. Now go to the modifiers, increase the randomness like this. At the starting frame add a keyframe. Now at 25 frame reduce the randomness to 0 and here you can select the characters you want to scramble. I select only uppercase and numbers. Here is the effect. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more DaVinci Resolve tutorials. Let me know in the comments below what kind of animations you would like to see the next.